Hey everyone, my name is Chris Chan, and today we're going to talk about the #1 reason why adult daycare centers will go bankrupt, period. And I hate this topic, but we got to talk about it, unfortunately. But first, you gotta like, comment, subscribe. Gosh, man, it's getting old saying this over and over again, you know? Just do it already, okay? Did you do it yet? Are we ready? Can we get on with the show? Okay, look, like, comment, subscribe. Let's get into this. The #1 reason why adult daycare centers, they fail is because of a lack of awareness, like, period. Like, I cannot stress this point enough. If you are thinking about starting an adult daycare center yourself, I want you to understand that this word awareness is oxygen, okay? And you are running out of it, okay? And there's no other replacement bottles around. And you need to do whatever you can to spread the word of what adult daycare is, how it can help people, especially family caregivers. But you have to understand that you entering into this like American dream of starting your own adult daycare center is literally like you signing your life away, that your like #1 responsibility on earth is going to be educating the public on what adult daycare is and how it can help them. Like, that's your #1 responsibility as the owner, as the person that is bringing this adult daycare model to your local marketplace. If you do not understand how important this is, you should not open an adult daycare center, period. Period. I don't want to see you guys lose your entire life savings. This is a warning as well as an educational video because it is so direly important. Okay, I just can't, I don't even know if direly is a word. So, is that even a word? I don't even know. So how do you make people aware? That means you're gonna have to go out there and like hit the streets, go to the social workers, help them understand how does your service work, where are you located, why do family members need you, go and put on educational events, bring people in, find every single possible way you can think of to show the public what it is that you're doing. Post on social media 4 or 5 times a day, talk about adult daycare, like keep talking about it, to the point where people are like, would you please stop talking about adult daycare because I do not need this service anymore. You want it to be something that like, someone's like, how do I take you off my friends list because I'm sick and tired of hearing about adult daycare. Most people have no idea what the service is and how it can help them. And it is our duty as those that are trying to bring this to the marketplace and to spread the word and to really give more families and more seniors access to, in my opinion, the #1 service in senior care, period. So I hope you understand how important this warning is. I hope you understand how important the topic of awareness is. And I just pray that you do everything in your power to spread the word in your local community. And that does not start on the day you open. That starts 6 months prior to you opening. That starts the second that you have the idea. If you'd like to learn more about opening your own adult daycare after that lovely, inspiring message, then go to adcpro.com and you can learn more there. You can join our Facebook group. You can join our monthly webinars. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Get back to work. Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click here. We'll see you guys next time.